Hi, everyone! Here is a video showing the installation of Dazuma's classic black waterproof LED lights. The product includes one expansion bolt kit, one instruction manual, one traditional black waterproof LED light, First, remove the two mounting screws located beneath the product's top cover and set them aside safely. Remove the top cover of the product. Remove the protective foam from inside the product. Install the light bulb you provided into the product's light slot. Align the connector on the top cover with the product, then place it on top. Reinstall the two mounting screws located beneath the top cover that you removed earlier. Place the product where you plan to install it, then mark the location and drill the holes. Install the 4 expansion bolts from the expansion bolt kit into the holes. Remove the 2 retaining rings and 1 cap from each expansion, bolt, and store them safely. Connect the power cord at the bottom of the product to the push-on quick connect terminals you have provided. Align the 4 holes in the product face with the expansion bolts and insert them. Reinstall the retaining rings and nuts for the 4 sets of expansion bolts that you removed earlier. Please follow the instructions demonstrated in our video. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.